Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I have done something that I try not to do, and that is get something. But things happen. I was in a Shoppers Drug Mart, and indeed, there was this box on what they call the clear-out shelf. I have a thing for headphones. I don't use them all that much, but I like them. I don't know why. Just one of those things. Anyway, this on the clear-out shelf was quite workable, and it looks quite lovely, and you can even open up the front and see what's inside. Now, have I opened this? No, that's why I am unboxing it as I speak. Now, it has, from what I can tell, all kinds of things. I suspect it's rechargeable. I suspect it's Bluetooth. And I haven't always had the best success with Bluetooth devices. I have not. But, try, what is this? Stop. Do not return this product to the retailer. This product comes with limited warranty. Okay, fine. Register this product within 30 days of sales or activate a complimentary 2-year warranty extension and receive free advanced technical support. Learn now and register. Maybe. What is this? How does your new product make you feel? Awesome. Share your product experience. Yeah, right. And this looks like the user guide. Look. It's, oh boy, that's not lit up well. It's just a little bit bigger than the original manual that came with the pet. Join our community. Become a VIP. Yeah. Opening instructions. My God, even with reading glasses on, I can't hardly read this. All right. Well, let's just get this out of here. Wow. Oh, you know, there's a cord. I knew there was a cord. And there is plastic. All right. It looks like a fabric cord of sorts. So what is this? It has a USB thing. It has a lengthy cord. I'm assuming the idea behind this is to plug it in to a computer. Perhaps it will be good. Sound, talk, volume up, volume down. Perhaps it will be good for Zoom things. Perhaps. And yes, it has a microphone. Where'd the microphone go? There. This might actually help my sound on this be better. Because, actually right now, my one ear isn't working very well. This is disturbing. It is. All right. Well, now here's the computer that I was going to take downstairs. I have not taken downstairs. Ugh. Damn few ports on these things. Oh, there's one. Try not to break things. Now, with most USB things, I have put it in backwards. All right. So we are plugged in. I'll open this up. it should be charged, so it should come to life, I would like to think. Perhaps I will test this later. Okay, we're going in. We're going in. And we'll see what happens. I think these glasses are not really needed right at this second. But what I just want to do... Hello. All these messages keep coming up. How joyful, how joyful. I will go to YouTube. And I will see. Oh, look, it's lit up. What have I done with the mouse? There's the mouse. Okay. All right, so we're lit up. We have a cord. It's funny, this computer, it never grabs the good Wi-Fi that's in, like, this room. It always grabs the other that says either poor or medium. And I don't understand why. That's probably good to go. But we'll grab this. And then we'll see. The microphone doesn't come very far out in front here. Okay. We are connecting. Or so it says. I'm going to Rudy's Retro Intel. At least I'm trying to. And I'll see what I hear. It's a brave new world. I'm still used to having all headphones having like a jack that you plug in. That. Oh. Okay, it's flashing. Okay. So I do believe I am hearing things in my head. Okay, and I made it louder. Okay, so if I push this button, it goes off. Beautiful. Okay, look at that. I pressed the microphone button and it goes red. Aha. And now I can push the volume buttons. What have I done? Okay, so I'm putting the sound on. Oh yeah, we are cooking with gas now. So, they do seem to be working. I suppose what I really need to do is maybe put the volume down a little bit. Hello, Rudy. Rudy's Retro Intel. Oh, also, okay. If I push and hold the buttons, the volume goes down. If I push it just once, it goes back to the beginning. I believe. Yes, it does. Okay. So over and over and over it goes. Cool. Well, I think this was good. I will have to try it at some point when I try and do a Zoom thing. Or maybe something. Maybe just even Messenger through my phone. Anyway, so I don't often do these things, but I always look at the clear-out shelf at Shoppers. And I have got other headphones, nothing as exotic as this there before. But this is a Voltaic Pro surround sound gaming headset. Thick padded adjustable headband, sound isolating padded ear cushions, LED illuminated ear cups. Really? Are they lit up? Oh my golly, they are. They're lit up. Adjustable omnidirectional microphone, extra long 7-foot braided USB cable, inline volume and microphone controller. Cool. And that's what it looks like, all right. Now, what else? I don't see any Bluetooth, but I thought when I was looking at the thing, I did see a symbol for Bluetooth. But perhaps not. System requirements. Windows 2000, XP, Vista 7, 8, 10. USB 2.0. I thought I saw. But that's okay, because I am not crazy about Bluetooth things or things like this. I've not had great success. Speaker power. Okay, so right now, Rudy is about to install a reset button on a Commodore PET. And you can't hear it, but I can. Anyway, should you be at Shoppers and you see something like this on the shelf, I would say it was good. Normally, I think this was like 35 or more. It was on the clear-out shelf for 10. So I thought it was a good gamble, I think. There, it's flashing. So if I want the volume up, I hold the button. Except did I push the right button? Oh dear, 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 dear. No, I did not push the right button. I'm going to hold the button down. There. Now Rudy is loud, loud, loud in my head. There. Beautiful. Anyway, I will have to test this on other things. I think what I might do right now is move the mouse. Put the volume all the way up. And then be daring. I'm going to pull this out. Oh, did the video stop? Hello. What's going on here?
Just so you can understand that this other wire goes
There's
around.
Rudy.
It can be anywhere on the board. And we will look for other places on the board where to attach that wire coming up. I have found two additional schematics for the PET. This one is for the dynamic PET board.
I'll just pause that. So there. New headset. And recently I've been in on some Zoom calls and I've had trouble with sound. I've had trouble with picture. I've tried with all kinds of things. At one of them, I had my phone doing video, the computer doing sound, because the computer wouldn't do video. So I basically had two devices set up. But it all worked out. Anyway, this might help. So, as I say, I don't, I'm trying not to get things, but there are some times when things are just too attractive not to get. They are. Anyway, that is enough for now. I will have other cool things to show. Actually, next time we meet, look what's here. It is a pet companion board by Rudy Panagas of Rudy's Retro Intel. And I'm going to see about connecting it and then connecting sound so that some of these games I just found on the pet SD drive, we can actually hear the sound. So I need to go to the basement and get some external speakers. And then we'll see. But I seem to remember both of these games had sound. And sound makes a big difference, which is, of course, why we get headphones. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.